Hello my wonderful investors, this is another beautiful day in the axis of Abijo GRA. This is an update on Brookhill Park phase 1 in Abijo GRA. We've done a lot of things in this place. There are some clients that we've allocated their buildings to them, and this time around we are still selling, but we have limited plots and the limited units here so that you can just key in as fast as possible. What we have here now, we have a payment plan of 1 year for this place, 12 months payment plan. And we have apartment here, and we have semi-detached 3-bedroom semi-detached duplex. Also we have 4-bedroom semi-detached duplex off land sales, and you can spread till 1 year. So I will take you in now to see what we've done and to see how you can actually key in this place. So look around. We have beautiful things around. We've planted some trees. We've beautified the estate. This is a good place that you can invest your money. So this is the time to buy. This is the time to key in. So let me take you in so that you can see what we have there. So our security personnel, they are full on ground. Yes, you cannot just enter here. They are full on ground. So, and we have a governor's consent on this place. So, and we have a lot of things going on. So let me quickly, because I said it's an update, so you can't just enter here just anyhow. Yes, because one of the time that we sold this up plan, that nothing is happening here. So one of the things we promise you is good security, which will fulfill. So I want you to look around. You can see that we've planted some trees so that this place will not look as if there is no greeneries. We are still building, and as we are building, we are allocating some of our clients that they've actually keyed into the pre-launch price when we first launch it in the market. So look at this side. This is 2-bedroom apartment here. You can see that the other one is on roof level, and this one, we just started the foundation to see what we've done. This place, this is where our 2-bedroom apartment will be. This is 25 million naira for outright. You can still do 1 year payment plan. You can still spread it, but you know, if you are doing 1 year payment plan, you won't be buying it for 25 million naira. 25 million naira is outright, but you can spread it. This with initial deposit of 3 to 5 million naira, you can subscribe to any of this. It's 2-bedroom, and the sample unit of this 2-bedroom will be ready by February. But we like space here because space is part of luxury. So everything is special, and I can even send you the floor plan to see what you are likely to get. But when I'm saying it's a good one, it's actually a good one. Good space, and I know you will love it. Yeah, so this one is good for investment. So if you are looking to do short lets, this is a good investment for you. And if you are looking to rent it out, you can see Abijo GRA is emerging markets where you can actually invest here. So this is a good one for you. So this place will still have some units selling here. So call me right away so that you can secure any of the units here. This is a service estate, so there's going to be a lot of facility, the estate facility. Part of it is our security personnel, that they are full on ground so that you can enjoy the service of this estate. Is safe and is very secure. So we have a lot of estate facility which we are going to give you. This estate will be 24-hour service. The power, the electricity, the look at it. We've done our smart street light here, you can see, and this is what we have for you here. Look at the units to my side there. This is our 4-bedroom semi-detached duplex. This is going for 55 million naira. So you can key into it, and you have this to spread it for 1 year plan. So you can key into it by subscribing to this one, and in no time this will be delivered to you. So looking at my left hand side here, We have 3-bedroom semi-detached with a BQ. So all our building units has a BQ. So you can see what we've done, and look at it. This actually can park 3 cars conveniently. You can see, you just park it, you park your cars in front of you. So you can see the parking space. It's a good one. So it's a smart home, and I know you will love it here because this is very serene and you will like it in this place. So let me quickly run you through what we have here. So it's a smart building, so you need to have your card, your access card, to be able to come into this. You can see you just need to insert your card. There's a digit that will come up, so you can press it so that you set it to what you want to be. So it has a smart lock, which is a very good one. So this is 3-bedroom semi-detached with a BQ, and if you see what we have here, the square meter here is up to 300 square meter of land. So come and see, this is the visitor's toilet. So we will not allow your visitor to just come up to come and just all room and en suite. So for the visitor, you can use this place. And also we have our living room. So this is what we have here. The space, I just want you to feel the space, because space is part of luxury. And imagine you can just arrange your living room like this. Can you see what I'm seeing? This is the perfect way to do this, because if you're looking for space, Brookhill Park phase 1 in Abijo GRA, maintain that space so that you'll be able to arrange what you can see. This is cute. Yes, there's a way this is it, and I like it here because I like space too. And coming to this, we have the dining, where you come together to share ideas apart from eating together as a family. You can see this is the space I am talking about, because space is part of luxury. And to this place, this is our kitchen, and we have our BQ. Let me see if I can open this place. Okay, it's locked, but our BQ is there. So this is our kitchen, and it has a pantry too. So let me go up to see what we have here. So like I said, I've done videos on this the time we started early this year and selling like this. The time that is only the buildings is not as many as this, and I want to thank my people that really subscribe to this. And coming to this place, this is the mini lounge upstairs. So this lounge is if you don't want to go downstairs, you can actually come here and do whatsoever you want to do here. Look at it, it's spacious, and this door leads outside too, to the balcony. So this leads outside, and there is other one from the master bedroom that leads outside. So this is the master bedroom. I want you to check it. You can see it's spacious. This is the door that I told you that it leads to the balcony too. We have the walk-in closet. This is the walk-in closet, and we have the toilet and the bathroom here. So, and we have water heater too up there, and also we have the other 2 rooms. So we have the other 2 rooms, which is very spacious too. And also we have the toilet and the bathroom. Like I said, all rooms are en suite, and the other rooms too is here, just to see the space. That so if you're selling off land, nobody's want to rip anybody off. What you're seeing is what exactly we are going to deliver to you. And we have the toilets and the bathroom. So all rooms are en suite. So in hall. So I believe you really understand what I mean, that when you want to invest, this is the right time to invest. So looking at hall, this is the best time to invest in Brookhill Park. Like I said, we have limited units here because we'll still launch another one. So for the 2-bedroom apartments, is going for 25 million naira for outright purchase, and you can spread it to 1 year. And also we have this 3-bedroom semi. This is going for 45 million naira which also you can spread it 1 year with a little interest. And we have 4-bedroom semi-detached duplex with a BQ. That one is going for 55 million naira, and you can spread that one to 1 year. So I want you to pick my number showing on the screen right away. This is the time to invest in Brookhill, because you know inflation is not anybody's friend. So this is the time to lock any units down now. We still have some limited units here before you get it sold out. So pick the number showing on your screen. My name is Olashile David, and I help you create wealth through real estate. That is the only thing that I know, and that is the only language I understand. So why don't you subscribe to my YouTube channel and you turn on your bell notification? Yes, and I am expecting your call. You know how we roll. My subscriber, give me that vibes. You know now. Subscribe and turn on your bell notification, and don't forget, subscribe, comment, share and like. Don't just watch and not do anything. And also share to your friends and family. Yes, refer me now. You just need to do that. So I am your realtor Olashile Davis. I will be expecting your call.